Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to try out something different and I hope you guys love it. Comment if you want more of this type of videos. Working from home can be a lot more stressful than it looks. I had a very long day. In fact, I haven't been feeling myself in the last couple days, and my apartment has been a mess. My kitchen everywhere has been just doing their thing, and I decided to just clean up my apartment, and I thought that I could do an unwind with you guys. So yes, I don't like doing dishes, but I had to, and then I cleaned up the slabs and filled up the bottles, which for me, filling up the jars for water is quite therapeutic. I don't know about you guys, but I enjoy doing it a whole lot. I spent most of my day trying to take down my braids that I've had for about a month, and I ended up skipping meals. So let's cook up some pasta. I really love pasta. Honestly, with the way I was tired on this day, I felt like I definitely needed to order in, but you know how ordering in Manila is always like a 50-50 thing. I wasn't sure I was ready to spend money and not get the worth of my money, and I'm such a huge fan of cooking just because I love cooking and my food tastes really great. So I was like, nah, I'm just gonna cook. But to be honest, this day was so stressful that I wouldn't mind if I ordered in, but I just couldn't because I wanted to cook something really nice and delicious for myself, which I loved at the end of the day.
When we first found out, you said just a while then you'd be home. Only 10, but I know you said you were better now.
After I was done cooking, I decided to clean up my apartment, like my fridge, and also my sitting room area and my bathroom and just my room. I just like to do them in that accordance because I feel like it makes the job less tedious than if I had to start from the room out. I mean, I just like things going in patterns.
I was counting down the days, putting papers up, we were so close, but you left me alone. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just die. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just die. All I wanna say is the B word. It's all that I can muster up, and every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not enough. Now I forget about your face, unless I think about the way I don't understand half of myself. Didn't matter, 'cause your body never came home, left me alone. I was only 10, so no excuses then. Had to pick up all the pieces just to barely make it. Now I'm 24, now I'm wanting more. There's no answers in these pages, voice a little faded. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just die. 06 barely even started, so much in common, too much for you to just die. All I wanna say is the B word. It's all that I can muster up, and every other time that I see you, I tell myself it's not enough. I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding, and I press press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I'm on my phone 6:30. Can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them? I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I'm on my phone 6:30. Can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell?
One thing you guys don't know about me is that I actually don't like cleaning. I hate it so much, and that's why I pick out a day to clean my apartment just so it can look put together. To be honest, I can stay in a place for about a week and not have to touch a thing, because I just replace things. Like when I take things, I try to keep them where they are meant to be and not have them scattered all over. So on this day I decided to change my sheets, not because it was dirty or anything, but I did my hair, like I loosened my hair on my bed during the day, and I felt like it had a lot of strands of hair and all that, and I didn't want to sleep on that, so I just decided to change the sheets. But you guys, change your sheet every 2 weeks, baby, for that skincare to be working.
Tell them that you're the exception, without repeating or just second guessing. 4 weeks and I know I'm sinking. Yeah, I'm falling, yeah, I'm deep in. You're not giving me a reason. Yeah, I'm falling, yeah, I'm deep in. So I'm thinking that we should end it before I go and sabotage it. Should've let you go, should've let you down. Black on black, they should notice. A little bit of compromise just to fully load it. Just in time. Keep the door cracked, let the army in. Slowly sign the papers, get it out, turned it out. What is home? What is home? What is home? I just wanna know if you will ride when it's alright. If the ebb and flow of this doesn't feel quite alright. I just wanna know if you will make it out alive. When the waves don't pick you up this time around. When we get older, should've let you go, should've let you down. Made me feel like you've surrendered, 'cause I feel like you're.
After I'm done with my skincare, I go ahead to use the scent of the night, and then I use some deodorant as well just to smell good, and then I go ahead to eat. Yes, so I have to microwave my food and then eat. After I'm done with that, I just relax a bit by just going through my last phase of work and knowing what has happened in the last hours that I've been cleaning, just to conclude for the day. And then I go and relax with company. I like to do that with a little candle on, and then just have a movie or something playing, just to, you know, just chit chat with my company and all that. That's basically all I do. This is how I unwind almost every other day, and I just said I should show you guys, you know, what I get up to in the evenings. If it's something you like to see, if you want more of this type of videos, let me know and I'll try to bring them to you. If you're still here, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Support your girl. I love you guys. Bye.
Going under. Even if you fight us, there's another way. We can ride it, but it's all consuming. I just wanna